In India, 17 years after the horrors of 26/11, Mumbai paused today in solemn remembrance. The city reflected on the night of November 26, 2008, when 10 terrorists from the Pakistan-backed Lashkar-e-Toiba unleashed one of the worst attacks in India's history. Well, President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, Home Minister Amit Shah and Opposition Leader Rahul Gandhi joined others in paying tributes to the martyrs and civilians who lost their lives in the terror attack. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, along with other ministers, paid floral tributes to the martyrs who laid down their lives while fighting terrorists. Over 4 days, terrorists struck at some of Mumbai's busiest and most iconic locations, including the Taj and Oberoi hotels, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Nariman House, Kama Hospital, Metro Cinema and Leopold Cafe. A total of 166 people were killed and around 300 were injured. And for more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Shah has sent us this report from Mumbai. Listen in.
The India's security after the 2008 terror attacks has transformed significantly. What we understand that right after the attacks, key decisions were taken by the government on the security front. Firstly, strengthening the maritime security, because remember, these terrorists came via sea and went to several locations of the city, and that is why the maritime security was strengthened. In fact, also strengthening the loopholes in the intelligence grid, also creation of agencies which can deal and probe with terror cases. We also saw amendments specifically in the laws like the UAPA to expand the definition of terrorism. We also saw the NIA Act, which was passed by the Parliament. Apart from that, the focus was also on strengthening the security forces on the ground level, the police forces, for which to deal with special challenges like this, specifically the terror attacks. So they were trained in such a manner. They were also equipped with modern equipments and technology as to how to deal with terror cases in such scenarios. This is Disha Shah reporting here for WION from Mumbai.